Next time on The Owl House. I want to be a witch. Will you teach me?
What? Oh, no. That's not gonna happen. Besides, humans don't have magical powers.
I don't care. I'll find a way. King used to know magic. He can teach me.
Okay, feet together, back straight, inhale. Now take all that repressed anger from being picked on and called a munchkin and being mistaken as a teddy bear. Let it all out in a blast of fire so hot it will melt the bones of your enemies! Now fight!
I'll befriend students at the Magic Academy and learn from them.
Hi, I'm Paulina. Oops, I can fix that. Oops, I can fix that. Oops.
I'll hunt down the most powerful wizards and steal their secrets. Wake up!
All right, I'll teach you how to be a witch. But wielding magic is difficult and dangerous. Think you're ready for the challenge?
How hard could it be?